weight loss.
expected.
And it was so easy. That's what I tell people. You know, you get into it a couple of days, you see the weight starts to really...
Okay, I'm ready.
Good.
All right, can I have the big breakfast with hotcakes?
Okay.
And can I have 2 sausage biscuits or a sausage McMuffin?
Gotta strut. Shuck like you mean it. Free your mind. I'm just a little diva. I don't care who knows about it. What up? And I'm walking the dog, so what else is going on? Oh, Gizzy! Drop my phone. Come on. Alright, come on. Oh my god, there's a bunny. Got that bowling pin up still? Wait, bowling pin? He's hanging out. How pretty this looks. Ooh.
On this side.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I love those jars. Oh, that's cute. Not bad for 100.
Oh, see this one off the deck. That's expensive.
Yeah, that'd be nice to
I wish
have.
that was that price.
See, I like that wicker chair. It's 50% off. It's storming outside. The first storm of the season. Let's see how it goes. I'm at work. I got like 20 minutes left or 10. We'll see. Oh, hello. Thunder coming. Oh. Oh! Gave me a heart attack. She got that on video too. I got a big lightning on video. Oh! Good. Until that. The power went off at. Thank you. Yeah. People look darker in real life than the video. Oh, I got that.
You want me to move the car over here a little bit?
Yeah. I think I got that lightning that time. Ah! I'm gonna need you to stop it! Watch out! No, no, bother! I really don't like that. In the sundown.
Watch out, Pete. Is there a separate entrance for right here?
No. Looking for that rainbow, people. Oh, I don't like that. What is that?
Your phone.
Oh, goodbye. See a rainbow anywhere? There should be a big one. I don't see any. Maybe we'll see it later. Day 2 of storms. And I got a Sprite.
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Oh my god.
What?
That's my song.
Hey.
Hold on. No. I gotta. Oh. Here's my. Okay.
Yeah, there.
Singing like Mariah. Look what I bought today. You can hear the music I bought. The Harmony CD. Like Mariah. We're gonna make good of this storm that we're having. More donuts. Really? Oh, yeah, I forgot. You didn't realize me. I'll just film me this.
Give me a handful of pine needles. Stuff like that.
We made fire.
See how easy that burns? Where do you want to go?
Well, doesn't matter. You want to keep staying up here?
It's up to you, baby. This is a cool pic. I
Yeah.
love you.
Love you too.
I love you more.
4, 5 seconds whining.
Why did you just sing that?
Yeah, it's 4, 5 seconds. Good to see us. Do it now.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I love you more.
I love you more.
No.
Yeah.
Get down here.
Drop my phone in the fire. Baby, I swear to Jesus.
Come here. Hey, Riley. Hey, Riley. Hey, Riley.
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. CAMPFIRESONG song.
Oh, what is that?
I'll make another one too, just in case. That's my dad, Jonathan. I made a payment on my pillows. Did they make the announcement for you guys? Hey! Just leaving. Just leave. Excuse me, leaving work. I'm about to leave work. Just waiting for mom to get out, taking a break, and that's it. Fun. Pretty sunset. I need a break. I need a break, guys, I think, from this show for a little bit, for a little series. I mean, I know I just took like a little hiatus when I did the season. Oh, look at this dance. It's sexy. I think I need to do a break because I have some other things I want to work on. Like a project, and I'm kind of like seeing like maybe I don't have to film every day of my life, because I know I haven't been filming every day of my life now as of like March, April, whatever. But maybe like more important things like I used to do, you know, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I want to continue the series for season 3. I kind of miss the old format of my vlogs. You know how I would do like if I went to the mall, I would film like a whole mall there and just make it its own video, you know, like the vlog, like the old days. But now it's like I include it in series, and I just don't want to do that unless I do like extended versions. It's really more difficult than I should be making my video process, but I don't think I want to do it like that now. And I'm questioning like the series now. I think I've made some decisions. I think I'm going to end the second season next month. Just like, you know, end the series maybe. Or just, you know, we're going to do another hiatus for a third season. You know, I don't know if we're going to do a third season. My original plan was to do this all the way up until like the fall second season. And maybe do a third season for the winter and the holidays and everything. My 21st birthday. I mean, there may be a chance, you know, we do it still. And if we do it, it's going to be different formatting and everything. Because I'm supposed to go to New York next month. So I'm thinking, like, right as we go to New York, that's going to end the series, you know? And that way I can keep doing my iToneify Hits series. Because that has been a constant thing for, like, ever. And what that is, I like to do, like, series, like, seasons off of each state I go to. Ooh, girl, what you wearing? Like, iToneify Hits New York is going to go into its 4th season as of next month. And that's great. And, you know, South Carolina my 2nd season for South Carolina was in February. Like, you just go places, you know. So, I think my decision is to end the series next month. And even from, like, this day on, I'm going to do, like, what was I going to do? I think I'm going to do, like, maybe if I keep the series going for 2nd season, and whenever I do something special, I can make it an episode, you know? Possibly, you think? Maybe? No? We'll see. I just want to thank everybody for watching the series. It's been very great and fun. I can't wait to see what it does, maybe. Pretty. I love putting sunglasses on when people have their high flashes on.
They don't have their high flashes. Those are his lights.
They are bright as the sun. I like to make them mad.
Riley! Riley! Riley!
Hey. Hey, baby.
Come here, baby. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, Tony.
Bailey. Oh. Jesus.
You love it out here. Watch the big hole.
No, really. Happy Reba Day, everybody. Happy Reba Day. It's April 14th, and I'm making a step into the right direction. I just got my driving book. And shut up that I'm 20, almost 21, not driving yet.
Lord, you ain't got to tell the world.
What?
So you ain't got to tell the world.
It's okay. They know. We're going to just hang out, go to the mall, go to the store, and I'm going to study this book tonight, probably. Yes, child. You're doing too much.
Doing too much.
You are doing the We are. Look at my camera like that, like the look of you gonna do something. We're like, what?
I didn't look at it any kind of way.
Yes, you will. Just look when we start. We'll look back. We're going to Applebee's, and we'll see you after Applebee's, probably. He's making fun or loving. He's living. We'll do Ariana terms. Living for Tamar last night on RuPaul. We're here at Applebee's, but I'm not gonna record. I'm just doing little sneak peeks. Yay, yay, yay. I'm getting a burger. I'm getting the classic. Baby, we just left PetSmart and now what? Bucket, bye. It's so neat. Okay.
Do you have to go that way to go home? Or can you go back that way?
What? What?
You're working my nerves.
You're working my nerves. New Hobby Lobby's in town. Hobby Lobby.
You got it, go! What the hell are you waiting on?
Girl.
Strut, walk, yes.
I love all of that. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh. I love this store. That picture though. Oh, we came this way. We came this way. What? Look, Tootsie Rolls. And this 50% off.
The sun will come out tomorrow.
He's trying on shoes for work. I like the gray. I don't know. Here's your churds. I like the high tops. We're at the mall, yay! Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Why is that level?
What?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
We're leaving that. We're leaving that JCPenney.
Fine.
I'm gonna go home now. Oh, Charming Charlie's over there. Sky people, is that okay? I ain't liking that sky though. Hello?
Drop right out the bottom.
Okay, no. Like, it's a storm. Like,
Oh my god.
the storm. Where's the court? Where's the court? I don't know where the court
I
is.
forgot where I parked.
Why you talking like that? Why you talking like that?
Because I forgot where I parked.
You forgot where you park?
Where did I
I
park?
don't know where the hell you parked. Where did you park the car?
Forget about it. What the fuck
Forget
did
about it. I don't give a fuck.
Bull.
Boo.
Not gonna do is cut.
Me.
Hello? Leaving the mall. Hello? Hey, don't you do that.
Got some shopping. Yeah.
It's the same body style like a Camaro, I guess. Kinda. Yeah.
Storm. Get a storm. That was cute.
Huh?
Oh, that was ugly.
We went to Applebee's.
It was not that bad. Let's go give it my God.
Now, if it was like, it doesn't bother me as bad because it's smooth.
Yeah.
But if it was like real lumpy
Yeah.
or
I'd be like, oh, baby, going on.
green looking, I like either way.
Usually nothing ever bad happens if it's not raining. I don't know, girl.
That's when the bad shit happens, is when it stops raining.
I know when it's not raining or windy or nothing. It just gets.
You could be right on me until I. It's very sad. A lot of the girls that work.
Yeah, got tons of suspenders. Prom ready. That's cute. We just left Panera. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Ooh, Betty White.
It's Paula Deen, not Betty White.
I was thinking of Paula Deen and Betty White ended up calling you.
Shut up.
Looking like little Daisy,
Hot dogs.
Yeah, dude.
You see that lady?
What?
That lady's car went off too long.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at to see how much the benches are. All the benches.
Love Pier 1. Oh, girl, that hair.
God, I forgot how to use his phones.
Back in the day, phone food. Got a surprise mother with
What says princess?
a little balloon. I like this one. This one says happy thoughts.
It doesn't say happy thoughts. It says.
It's
Walmart.
thinking happy thoughts.
It says bro pack.
I love you. I
Just supposed to be like my head.
Yeah. Got you a nice balloon. Don't throw it out.
Shorter than.
Family.
I thought that was Angela.
Michelle Obama, we're so happy getting no products. Michelle Obama, we're so happy getting no products. Michelle Obama, we're so happy.
It's been raining for like all week.
Michelle Obama, we're so happy getting no products. ONFIGENT, that's me, I'm confident. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
No.
Give it to me, I'm
Big
worth
ass
it.
deer just ran right in front of me.
Just give me you, just give me you. Just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up. Give it to me, I'm worth it. See me in the spotlight, let's life, 'cause I really don't care what
How I've missed the tanning bed. This massage habit like, this black water habit like. Whoa. Today's rain doesn't surprise me. Look at my boo ready for his first day of work. Yes, I am. Like in your little lunch after going off to school. Your boo loves you so much and you're gonna be great. Oh, I love this car.
Pretty much met everybody already. When everything's blue.
Hello, good morning. It is April 16th on this rainy again day. I feel like all it's been doing is raining. Getting gas. Jonathan's working, and that's it. Go home and edit. We got a few things first. I'm surprising my blues with privacy. Something happened. I can't see.
That was nothing.
Now you can't tell me that's a big surprise for my baby. A devoted Reba fan. Hi! Hi! Hi!
She jumped off. Watch how she jumped off. She cracked up.
Lucha.
It's a flying leaf. Nana, mama. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, look at the baby. I'm gonna freak you all. Meet my. Pepper!
Pepper! Wait,
Pepper!
he's gonna.
Pepper! Oh, here she is.
She runs.
Is here. Oh, you mean.
I won't do this. I won't do it.
It's a light. Whoa!
Rayleigh! Rayleigh!
Hey, baby. Okay. Oh, God. There we go.
Give me that cup.
Nice out.
She don't like it. I'm not, it's okay, my baby.